Everyone has read about the French Revolution, but the question is whether the French Revolution was actually a revolution. The French ruling establishment consisted of the monarchy, the clergy, and the nobility. The Third Estate, consisting of the bourgeoisie or the capitalist middle classes, had no real power in governance. This Third Estate seized power in 1789 by overthrowing King Louis XVI. Did anything revolutionary happen with these changes? The answer is no. The power simply transferred from the monarch to the Third Estate. The nobility and the clergy still remained in the governing structure. The poor, the Fourth Estate, still had no power. What about the slogans like liberty, equality, fraternity? It was merely a slogan to gain legitimacy for the Third Estate. The women still had no role in the governance and were not equal citizens. Slavery was not abolished in the French colonies. France continued to trample equality, liberty, and fraternity worldwide by creating more colonies. The monarchy returned back to power when the Bourbon dynasty was restored in 1814. Both philosopher Immanuel Kant and Edmund Burke dismissed French Revolution by terming it as an act of organized violence for power. The Third Estate termed these internal changes as the French Revolution to justify its violent origin and gain worldwide respectability. That's how a revolution was invented. Follow Cogito History for intellectual insights into history.